Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see this special type of a grid line called golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation, the golden spiral should disappear. So in order to reset the settings, simply tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner and now scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got this option restore default, so simply tap on it and tap on it again. And as you can see, after tapping on it, actually nothing happened, right? We did not see any changes, but after getting back to the camera, you can see that the golden spiral disappeared, which simply means that all of your customization will get back to its default settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the camera settings, camera preferences in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.